Here we are. We're doing today the Regency.
Regis? Oh my God.
Regis Mountain. Regis Mountain. Oh, that's one little mistake from yesterday. We thought we were doing a 46. We weren't. We were doing a 9er. Today we are joining the 6er club by hiking this mountain. Let's start it and let's go. Scenery off of that cool lake. There they are. We got 2 glass housers and 2 Humstones, and it is Holly Humstone's 19th birthday today. That one that gives you the peace sign. We're off. Those
Jeff
people
Ellis
from the
and
what you
Connor
call it.
Ellis. Jeff and Connor Ellis.
Yeah, that's the ones we meant this morning.
No.
I bet you right now.
It was from
Bear,
July.
Yeah, well, they're back up here again for August. Here we go.
No, it's 20.
It's hills. What's Regis Mountain,
I'll just
right?
put Delaware. I don't feel comfortable putting that here.
Like yesterday, we're going up, not as steep.
Yes.
And the big thing about today is we're going 3,000 some feet.
Well, it's double the ascension.
It isn't 3,000. First challenge of the day, rock or log. What will Haley choose? She chooses a rock. She made it. Onward we go. And everybody is in one piece so far after doing the rock or log challenge. I'm proud of you. I really am. That is what you call a big stinking rock. Thing's huge, bigger than my hand. Almost a mile in. Moderate breathing for me. And the kids are running through here like it's their own backyard.
You're too high up for me to get over. You gotta crouch.
This is the 1 mile mark.
Crouch down.
We just seen one guy that just discouraged me
I have to move
about how grueling the last probably 500 to 700 feet are. But we'll find out. We're about 1.5 miles into the wilderness. We're definitely coming up on Yeti country. As you can tell, this is a Yeti crossing. Look at all the big feet marks. So we have no choice but to take the log route. Oh, there was almost a fall. That would have been good for Camber, but not good for Angel. She's doing a spread eagle. Stay tuned for the exciting action after this message from Humstone Enterprises. Almost 2 miles in, and we're seeing woods. Woods, woods, and more woods. Upward we go. Hold on, that's a frog. There he is. He blends in just like the leaf. He is called the special Adirondack leaf frog.
Make him jump, Noah.
He's real. And there he goes. Okay, you know he's real. You can, maybe. You're out Adirondack River. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, shoot. Here we go up the hill on a steeper climb. There's some Humstones up there, including the glass house gang. I need my sweetie. I need my sweetie.
Is that time lapse or real time?
It's real time.
Oh, hey.
I'm waiting for your dad.
I'm taking a break right where Mackenzie is.
I'm recording you for real this time.
Okay. I've noticed in the back, a guy has a bear cub. Do not look at it. The mother's around somewhere.
Oh, you be quiet.
You're watching part 7 of A Man Alone in the Wilderness. Don't forget, parts 8 and 9 next week, only on PBS. Onward he went, not knowing what drove his soul in the wilderness. The man would make them old, or whatever that is. 10 Commandments.
Onward up.
Holy Toledo and Toledo. This one's definitely harder. And it just keeps going up and up. Over 3,000 feet. And I must keep going. This is real breathing. This is me partially silly. But I've had to take breaks because I'm old and fat and out of shape. But I'm here to tell you something new and exciting is coming this fall. HH19. Tell you all about it down the road. Harry Humstone, onward. Haley and Holly Humstone are up ahead and the glass houses. One glass house, Noah has made it all the way to the top. He's a madman.
Brian left his
Video moment. And watch out for the poison ivy. Up, finger shot. Just filming this?
Yeah, I'm just filming. Go.
Good. Because I have a saying.
Here we go.
What is this? Mount what?
St. Regis.
St. Regis.
Regis and Kelly. Here we are.
I tingle with excitement. And that other guy didn't make it because there's the fire tower right there.
He didn't make it because that is the fire tower.
Probably went right here and stopped.
Hey,
There's Glass House up
the
there.
Glass House gang has made it and conquered one of the sixes.
Hey. Powered by Clipper.
Thank God for Clipper.
You're right. Anybody can climb a tower. There's Glass House gang triumphant. Here's a bunch of people.
We made it.
Here's the view. Panoramic all the way around on this mountain. There's no stopping. Lakes, views, Yetis, abominable snowman, and more than likely a couple Loch Ness monsters down there.
You're not, because I have Instagram.
And there's the video of the fire tower. One guy at the bottom we seen said there was none up here. He lied. All my videos, I'm wrong on every one of them. So I thought I did a 46 yesterday, and it was a 9er and the easiest one. St. Joe. I was all proud of myself. So we did a 46. Who cares? Descent time. All right, I'll destroy that 12-second one. I'm doing it. Descent time, and I'm going to break my stinking neck. I'm falling all over the stinking place. I've already fell once. Caught myself with the wrist. Report more as we get down the hill.
I have 50, 60, 40.
Continuing on the descent.
Every couple months I clean it out.
One snapped ankle.
Yeah.
And hopefully shit's all right, and we're going to stop and get some citrus.
Did you sign out?
I'm gonna sign myself.
Sign out, Ken. What was it, 6 point what?
6.62.
Are you filming? 6.2?
6.62.
6.62, up and down, choo. We did Regis, St. Regis Mountain. The views were great. The hike was grueling. My legs are hurting very bad, and that's a fact. Harry Humstone saying, hiking from the Adirondacks. Later!